Spy Show and a VTFM.
Evento Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, Ekamida, Gaikachi.
Hey, and welcome to Ouch Palang Show. We say Bula.
Bula.
We communicate then Dodi Borongo, all our listeners tuning in this morning, all our friends from overseas.
Okay.
And Abuning Karabitabi, Pakatakaka, and Nek. We say happy birthday to our Tavale. My New Zealandian Mataka Dikua. Inoke Rokondungu, Sam Leva Natambua, Porirua, Wellington, New Zealand.
Whoa.
A very good morning to you and a very happy birthday. And sing up in Nakari Komaru, take you to sing the Sudri Kua.
All right.
Or if you not maybe get a Sarna Vakari Bubale, Kabosi Verto Mamanga, Arto and Kalawada,
Dombula.
Kabombi na Runomu Derwerua.
Okay.
Nomeada Patake Tumuna, Kereke the Sarna Mataviokani, na Pagodinaka, maybe no Doya Lewa. Papa Dule of Faye and W Housing and of Bakatambi Singanikua.
Well, good morning to Nangali Mbada, Mbulabinaka, and also to Kalisto Sauni. Thank you very much for joining this morning. And well, good morning to you and everybody on the Ouch Palang Show to Vinod Patel and Punjes. Thank you, thank you.
Sometimes Bula Bula, sometimes black.
Eda Vanabai. Na ibakatawa nila mo may way to
na ngoy tamaya bu bisa we na bunga sarnangauna so nangauna bula so nangauna bakame drabu mai
takuladi.
Okay, we said to all the drivers who are on the road going to work. Baka kini bikin the bus drivers and the people lead and matang di kuah and to all the passengers and matakango all the students going to school and all the FNU students.
Okay.
And nabi korni buli tordake and tiko and the open day and baka terichigo and na sinu campus and the sigu binani kuah. Ngor binaka bikin ni tubu kan derbi susu baka kini bikin na ngone and kan laki tomani tiko na buli and a korni buli tordake na FNU. Bibi na kera open day na mga durichiko na Samambula campus na Sota and Nasilu campus Nasilu campus and mataka ni baka tambi singa ni kuah. You went to FNU Lambasa?
Yeah, we went to FNU Lambasa. That time was in Long Bay. So they transfer them to in town.
Yeah.
So from in town, I don't know where it's located now.
Oi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's FNU. Good school for everybody as a whole.
Don't worry, nak. Kami na kadra bito kan ulmay. Daru na bang retiko berto na sama kumay na bugni live page na matadi kuah. John Kumar all the way from Bararville in Singatoka. We say Yarvinaka to Rocco Manoa and Salinata Cotombalabu and Yarvinaka. Go on Viotini. Romating go man and Billy Dins in and 18 non a less American Dins. And all Sari Turaki, Le Sarasara and Delan Turaki and Vidanising out.
Dombulan.
Arnaka Ratu Mbolokoro and Matakabinaka Dikua was Sibi and Isikeli Rangere. Tuna Taranaka taxi.
Dombula.
And we'll be talking the Anamata di Codems.
Come.
I was sorry, there is some Bishop and Bola may let
Atu sambil sumbungan isau tinesongo, ngoy ren tagitiko.
Ko remember tu luman yang pakito dongor sa ko tinesongo no buli ngunu
melang kana tombu. Mesa ke matai tonga kalu sindala nam bola benaka Timothy and everybody joining Melina the lebu batala kira be Sharon Nadeno and the family joining this morning to everyone. As part of our Palang show this morning, some of us we are thinking of this month is our birthday month. We are encourage the family to be giving a gift to us. We are thankful for another year is coming. Some thinking of last year, what's happening last year, and everyone joining for the show this morning.
Okay, since the Fiji Day is just around the corner, we think that it's proper for us to talk about some of the Fijian artifacts. Na ya Makawa, and the bang takan ito okay.
All right.
Okay. Daru natin mo tiko intimesi. Mo bang madal tagamanda kaya kay ko kilaro ni ko telesun baka sama na pinguno sa uchi na tanoa ni angona siya na tanoa tingmo baka tapa
tanoa
sama bang tagi tunang ngono ko
tanoa before there was a tree the tree was being cutted.
Okay.
Ando bilang tobat aja la timbiu. Kila bilang satu ngokon because they know how to cut the tanoa.
How to trim the tanoa.
How to trim the tanoa. So whenever you go cut the tree, So depend on which kind of tree you cut.
Yeah.
So that can suit the tanoa to be part of the long life family.
Right.
Membulan balabu kina.
One of them.
So some
So which tree is the most suitable one?
yeah, some they use sabai.
Oh, sabai.
Sabai ko kan Indian ni matao Indian ni
Nakumakaw.
nakamakawa.
Uy.
Kaukuwa.
Boy, siguro nga mundungo.
Some use for the Indian ni sele.
Besi.
Besi.
Iyo.
They use because a bigger one.
Yeah.
And we use for tanoa.
Right.
So come and cut.
Yeah.
Then they know na the CBCB family.
Iyo.
Korang daw CBCB.
Yeah.
They know how to use this one to be the tanoa
Iyo.
that we use today.
Doon mo ba na?
Some bigger one, some small
Can
one.
we use the vow tree?
The bauti not the bauti we can only use for the meke sulni meke.
Oh, sulimeke.
Yeah, the kulina.
Right.
You use the kulina.
Yeah.
So we buried into the lolombo in the vechirichiri.
Yeah.
So after a week we bring it back so
Right.
that it can go strong.
All right.
Yeah.
How about the iwaw and the iula?
They were on Eula.
Talo
They are
taman.
from the tree too.
Right.
Everything that being used, that's only nature can carry on in our life. Like a Fijian
Warrior.
warrior.
Yeah.
They use the nature.
Yeah.
The trees and the stone
Yeah.
together with the flame.
Right.
So the Yula
Yeah.
and the Iwau, they are from the
Family tree.
they're from the tree too.
Yeah.
So if some of us, because before
Yeah.
our ancestors,
Yeah.
they used to have war.
Huh?
So that kind of thing eh?
Right. Right.
Because that time,
Have them?
war. Iyo.
Yeah.
So that kind of thing some of the people they coming, they trying to confiscated us from our territory.
Yeah.
So they are preparing themselves.
Yeah.
They are bringing the different kind of iwau.
Yeah.
So ndo na bunika utodoko. I remember one story.
Yeah. Go.
About-
Nirong
I remember one story about a team.
Yeah.
Ndo na ito.
Right.
So the Turanga, the chief, asked the people,
Yeah.
we will go.
Hmm.
Where there is a dog, this dog barking at a tree, you cut the tree as my wow.
Donat na buri ko tudo.
Ndo bunikau, nabuno ngai kondro kina na kolingo, me kondro ban ndo na bunikau, me kondro kina. Kwa nga na bunikau tu yasa ni kwa bune kondro kina kolia, ndo musuka mai ngor menungu wow.
Wala kendo.
That's a command from the chief.
Oi.
Any tree. So this one was barking on one big tree.
Yeah.
So the teeth, they cut it. Korang to na nambati.
Yeah. Dato.
The teeth. And they cut it. They cut it and
Nambachi,
so they was there.
I don't know. Okay, then Rua.
Landrua is a boat
Yeah.
forming two from the tree.
Right.
So you see now,
Yeah.
we see the ship. Before, they used Landrua.
Yeah.
Landrua is the hardest vessel you can use to down from the sea.
Right.
Because they balance themselves.
Oi.
Sometimes before, now, they don't use an engine.
Yeah.
They just use the leather. Na leather.
Yeah. Left.
Yeah, na leather.
Boy.
They use the leather
Yeah.
to carry them by the wind direction.
Right.
But it never be wrong.
Yeah.
They never use any compass.
Yeah.
They just use nature to carry them through.
The Masi.
The machi is a clothes.
Yeah.
The machi is a tree kulina.
Yeah.
Na kulini kau.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
So you come in a different process to coming. You coming and squeeze.
Yeah.
Tukia. Singana. You cook it.
Yeah.
So that can forming into a proper manner.
Yeah.
That coming. That we call it a machi tree.
Masi tree.
Iyo.
Dono mo binaka.
Iyo.
Dono mo binaka.
It's like about iyo. It's like about tree.
Iya.
Iya.
Okay, bakit apa na sangamuli?
Sangamoli sa mani. They are sangha. Sangha.
Alright, yeah,
It's
my-
like a pot.
Yeah, lapi da kona pottery.
Yeah, pottery.
Iya.
So it's like a pot.
Iya.
Where used by the some of us they use nangele.
Iya.
So rambule nangele.
Right.
Eh?
Iya.
So rambule nangele.
Watu.
Vatu. So different different pot by the sangha. Eh? So samas, you drink from your sangka. Ngun ngamay na nomu wanuay kumarek kinanaway. And
Right.
nomu lang manisang.
Naimbe, can be matagali. Okay, let's take us. We go Tumbua, the Kuta.
The kuta.
Yeah. Tell us about the Kuta. They
O kaya na buni na bakanga na do eh.
please English.
They look like a straw
Yeah.
in a plant manner.
Yeah.
When you look at the straw when you buy from the shop,
Yeah.
they like that when you go to the planting.
Right.
If I said they look like a.
Yeah.
So you see the straw, it should look like when you go, you dry it, then you do the weaving.
Yeah.
Then you see how you can maintain in a material way.
Don't know binaka. Saranga. Okay, don't go na mangi.
Mangi.
Yeah.
Mangi. This is coming from the Nganimbulu.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. One
The Nganimbulu,
Yeah.
it's the outer shell of a coconut.
Right.
So you coming, some of us, we use the tambani new,
Yeah.
some of us we use the trunk.
Yeah.
You coming and whack.
Yeah.
Meraba samulaki.
Yeah.
Samulaki in different mertawa sarngamay. So
Right.
from there, you squeeze.
Right.
You squeeze, Nganimbulu,
Right.
squeeze, then you form in different way. So
Yeah.
you tie them. Tie them.
Yeah.
Tie them.
Right.
But they are very strong
Yeah.
when they are together.
Together.
Yeah.
We are strong when we are together. Okay.
True.
Second last one, Nico intimacy na Biloniangona.
Biloniangona they are from the coconut tree. They are from the coconut tree. So you see them Biloniangona. That's why we name this word the people, the ancestors, Vinakavakaniu.
No.
Vinakavakaniu because the coconut,
Yeah.
every part of themselves, it's very good.
No.
You see the mangi
Yeah.
from the Nganimbulu.
Yeah.
You see the coconut, the shell is from the. You
Yeah.
cut it properly.
Yeah.
So it's like this when you cutting.
Yeah.
Where there is the vein,
Yeah.
now when you knew,
Yeah.
you cut it from there so that it can straight.
Yeah.
When you cut it apart from the vein, may na kolalala.
Yeah.
The
Nasal
coconut,
nonandra.
yun, nasal nonandra. So that part will be crooked.
Oi.
And ang buli daki na kenamus. So,
Bala kakedi ko hitakan donu, ena kachindonu.
kachindo.
Ngaya.
Ha. So, when you cut
The coconut.
the coconut,
Yeah.
you cut it the right vein.
Yeah.
Kona kenawa.
Yeah.
So the vein will na musun donu saran. It will never be crooked. So that's where you use for the
Donu bobenaka.
Biloniangona because beautification
Yeah.
will catch the customers
Yeah.
easily for them
Yeah.
to buy. So some of us
Yeah.
we take that one.
Yeah.
We use it in a karya. Some of us we bury it into the lolombo.
Okay.
Yeah, so that it can black wish.
Oh.
Yeah.
Doon benak na maramare totoka may long ni makita. Farm yang gioli buru dan mata kabinang di kuah.
Daun bola.
Anda benak Bulu and Frank Ryland dan mata di kuah.
Oh,
Last
this one was interviewed during the hibiscus.
Don't know benak.
Yeah.
Okay, last one demes for us this morning. Na Robi tukulan na yaungo pat sasing dumang tegbaliw na malo.
Malo.
Small piece of cloth.
Malo. Oh,
Wears by men.
oh, baka bikini.
Yes, the malo.
Oh,
Yeah.
the malo.
Iya. Talo tama tanah malo.
Right.
Kau kila taka pakatapa, taka benatapa. Gitu besu pakatapa.
For me,
Iya.
this is the first time for me to know the malo because the only malo I know is a malo from our Tabata
Jeda
family, Jeda Timbiu malo, eh?
Iya.
So this malo
Yeah.
is a piece of cloth. You
Right.
did describe and then I mentioned.
Natikini sulu lelai.
Iya.
Kaya kau na reveso na itamba ni Fijian warrior. Eda.
Iya.
Umbing ailiu. Wata kay nandimbin rasaranga.
Oh.
Iya. Ulor itu nandimbin ra wa kakau.
Is a piece of cloth contain the compound of an area that been withdrawn by a man eyes to somebody sees to cap on with a cap cut.
Na edit tak ini video. Okay, erto talaga naturang.
Yeah. So they are usually meant by a man to be wed.
Iko kila indo pa rong siguro matang ni kuha.
Iya.
Ocho sin raw weekend na taburi. sentar tsukan apa malu tsukan ngono ko?
Ini turang apa itu bu?
Odi.
Malo
Odi. Sing mo to ko meron takila si Odi.
Oh, bis nga nan rumiban. Binabalik Punjas and Vinod Patel for the love this morning.
Sam sarto beluto ko bis na matang dito.
Oh, bis, mula binaka happy belated birthday.
Nandiyaw nga na ito kaya, nandiyaw Macau. And dabi talokin na matang dito na lalakay na ito daw na daw taki-taki na marama.
Iya.
Oh, kasama tayo sa daw sila lalakay.
Iya, Boris may waywalu.
Iyo.
Iya.
Bulo. Ang tak-tak na marama. Do mbiyo na lalakay.
Hindi na.
Na lalakay erdo tali ko na wame do na tanmin ko na wame na kete
Iya.
Na bikata le boy ay dapat tali hiyo
Umantanga
na uwea
Iya.
na kanika
Nggak
ayaw sila nga
Gado pa sa mata kanang una sindang ngonekin ha.
Iyo.
Ngonong ko sa kay may baka takwertungan na natanga.
iyo
Lago ka mga buniniw musu ka may ka na mo kete-kete mi kinatabiyo ka no misuwe.
do no menakor
Iya.
ko sa mga tagi lima tanga
Iya. Kay pa sa mata ka.
bisaw ni nguna
Nalobo
iyo do na ka ngata-ngata makaw ko na diyo ko bitu makaw na isiru iyo
Siru nang bitu
iyo sa era na makaw na ibani era na ibani iya do ya na malo na tabatali
Maupo.
nambuli
Iya, mbuli.
nambuli
Natap ko tanga kinan tumonta.
nakali
Naikali. Iya.
na idula di kana na village di kana kakita era da kabaron tang kasi totok non rata kata kali
Na batu ni-
don menta na me kai buli di USB
Sin madal.
sin matala
Katal nga minta sana pa ambulan-bulat ako kaya nimber ni Nayali to kaya.
iyo doon sana menta mamblum bulta ka mo na chili kavita na bagsa ochiro sen satu kan itu bukan di ron bangon na ratus kulo di na may kuleibi
Kaya may boba binuna may ratulu kaya nindo da katunangon ni wase-wase.
Iya.
Da katunangon kami daw buli kango.
di na sa
Seso na bisibi. Okay may.
nabi
Bida.
tingga
Nabitingga.
Iya.
Lako may sangkay na ka nabisibi.
Iya.
O de daw tali kete-kete tolo.
right
Tali noke.
iyo
Kana noke mindo da kina na leisiwa.
iyo
Ya.
nanoki
Iya.
Dinasar. Ibi kimo nakan sa mga sumali Fiji Day. Kaya kayo ka menda na ngumia matua, menda na tur matua sa konon da bossa, non da itovo, balate anda na kilita ni kina. Bibicho non da bossa. Li weekend sa mi tungo bi korta tak sa da posto na pa mbau. Wir na lubenta sa desini posto bana kor. Katali nindo nongon tiko na korta katak.
Right.
E posta tsuga no bossa.
Dina.
Balate na salanga ni kena maru na bika membeli tiketa. Kaya senga. Sa ko sa tsuga na kena tiki buni katumba. Enda na bailiki na bika enda do pa marga. Tapos bibi na non tapos.
Binabaliw kero saraba na makime binabaliw Vinod Patel bate kay Punjes na bitoko ni. Like hat siya takan ng talay.
Eh, mo